Cheddar again. Today, I'm going to be doing a brand new reaction video. And today's reaction video I'm going to be reacting to is Dan the My Little Pony and Sophie the First Fan. A video of his that a taste test video that he uploaded 2 days ago. And the video of his I'm going to react to is called Taste Test number 135 Cheetos, Cheddar flavored popcorn, and crushed grape soda. So yeah, I'm going to react to it. So now without further ado, let's get the video right now.
Hi everybody,
Yo!
What's up? This is me, Dan, the My Little Pony, and Sophia, the First Fan here, and we're going to do another taste test review. Now, you quite remember that I did my recent taste test reviews on the Cheetos cinnamon sugar popcorn and the Cheetos flaming hot popcorn that I just did just about either a week or a month or so ago. But this time, this is something that I just got from Five Below today. So, the thing I got from Five Below today is, drum roll please, it's a bag of Cheetos cheddar flavored popcorn.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the Cheetos cheddar popcorn. And this is definitely what we're going to do to review.
Oh, yeah.
Now, let me tell you how much of the servings and the calories of the Cheetos cheddar flavored popcorn really is.
Oh, yeah.
So, the Cheetos cheddar flavored popcorn goes up to 7 servings per container, which is the serving size, which is about 2 cups. 28G, and the calories is just about 160. So anyways, we're going to review this right away, and by giving this a taste. So without further ado, let's taste it and see how it tastes. Here we go. Now that tastes really good, if I do say so myself. Let's give it another bite. Now that I've totally gotta say, the Cheetos cheddar flavored popcorn tastes really good. So I really need to give this like a 35.5 out of 10. But this is not the only thing that we're going to be reviewing on.
Oh, yeah.
This is something else of a drink that I got to review. And this one's called the Crush Grape Soda.
Oh, yeah.
Now, this is something I got from Dollar Tree. Now, the Crush Grape Soda is about 3.5 servings per container. Serving size is 12 FL ounces. Calories, 160. Anyways, let's taste this. So here we go. I'm going to give it a sip. Now that crushed grape soda tastes really good.
Okay.
Let's give it one more sip and we'll give it a rating.
All right.
That's good. I'm also going to give the crushed grape soda a 35.5 out of 10.
Huh.
So thank you guys so much for watching the taste test review. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bells, and I'll see you later.
Hey. So yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction video, and I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos and other videos on my channel to your friends, family, if you want, your choice. Because I am making it. Just so yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Dan the My Little Pony and Sylvia the First Fan if you're new. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe again. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And on the main channel here, we're on the road to 3K subscribers. And on the backup channel, Jeffrey Jordan 2.0, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah. And so yeah. And that's the reaction video. And I'll see you all for more banger reactions, more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Jeffrey Jordan signing out. And peace out, legends. And peace out, everyone.